Alright, you guys, we getting it together. Okay, first we started out with these flower bed cement block planters. I like them because see how they got the little slits in it right for the wood to go by there. We got these from Lowe's. So if you look up these planters, it'll give you the wood specimens that go with them, right with the suggestion, like at Lowe's or Home Depot. Just put these in. I think these are like $3.50 each. So we got those. We're gonna go one level high. Make sure you got the rebar. You want the rebar to go right in the middle of the hole to hold it in place. And then we got a leveler. So first thing I want to do is make sure we are level here. What just happened? I want my leveler. Go back to my leveler. Okay, here we go. So here's the leveler here. That looks level. Level, and let's see. That looks level. Go put here. That looks level. Wait a minute. That's a little bit. So we gotta go a little bit that way to level that out. And this definitely is off a little bit right here, I can tell. So this needs to be pushed up a little bit. That needs to be pushed up a little bit right there. And then this, that looks like it's pretty level. So we're gonna put the other layer up and then we're gonna put the rebar on it. All right, you guys, look, we got the second layer up. You see I doubled up on every corner, and you got your rebar too. With your rebar, all the specs will be in the description of the video. Don't quote me, I think it's what, 4x4x6 or something. I put the specs down on all this stuff, but once you go like to Home Depot or Lowe's, we got this stuff from Lowe's. Once you look up this, the planter, the cement planter blocks, all these things that come up as suggestions of items to buy with them. So there you go. You see we got all the corners double layered up. Got the rebar. I haven't hammered the rebar in yet, so it's starting to rain, so I'm gonna take a little break and then I'm gonna come out and hammer the rebar in. And then also I told my wife that I think I'm gonna clean all this grass out in the inside. I'm gonna clean all that out so we can put a weed barrier down, and then we'll get everything situated. So I'm gonna clean all that out, but it's raining right now, so I'm gonna come back once it stops raining. Hopefully it does stop raining. But here's a long view of it right here. So let's see, I'm about 5, 6, or 10. So this is about 12. This is about 12 feet long, including the stone. 12 feet long and about maybe 4.5 wide. Right there. So basically, if you look at this, let me walk across the grass. She's gonna go from this to what she has now, what she's been having, and then she's gonna plant new stuff. She's gonna go from that, then go to that big boy style. And then also I think I told her to get some rope. We're gonna put some rope across it to separate what's in what. And I got some rebar. So if you look at the rebar, we're gonna put this rebar down to keep the animals out of it. So that's cool. So get back with y'all. All right, you guys, look, we decided to do a side project. We spray painted these stands, but look at the bed now. Oh yeah, we spray painted the bed. You see it, yeah? Oh yeah, look at Crystal, she getting it in.
So, little sidebar, we decided not to dig up the grass because it was doing too much. So there's going to be levels to this. We're going to start with some cardboard, then some mulch, then the biodegradable fabric, then some more mulch, then the dirt. So we'll have a drainage system. Over time this will break down and kill the grass.
You get ready to put the mulch in next, right?
Yes.
Oh yeah, you guys, didn't show you. See, look, I've hammered the rebar in, so make sure the rebar is all the way down. Remember before they were sticking up, so all the rebar is already in there. Look, the birds already done been on it. Look at the bird right there. The birds already done been on it.
Oh, wow. Oh, poop.
Yeah. What you doing? What you?
They had to do a little poopy poo.
Now you say you got the cardboard. Basically, this is to eliminate the grass from growing.
Yeah.
You got cardboard down, which is going to disintegrate through the rain and the weather and everything. Then you're putting the mulch down right now.
Yes, sir.
So after you do the mulch, you gonna do anything else today, or you just gonna?
We gonna let that sit.
Okay.
Because it's been raining on and off all day, so my garden is actually wet.
Yeah.
So, and we gotta make sure we stay, I think, 1 inch inside. Deep.
Okay.
So.
All right, you guys. Yeah, we're gonna put the mulch down, and this is gonna continue until another day. So see you in the what's that? 5 days later. Boom.
All right. So, as y'all see, we what's this stuff called, man?
Compost.
No, the
Mulch.
mulch. We put the. So we like we said, we not going to let the grass grow. We just going, instead of digging it up, we just going to layer it. So y'all seen the box layer. Now this is the mulch layer. What I'm spraying right here is a natural garlic insect repellent. So I made this, and you can use this later for the actual plants as well. But I'm putting my layers down because we just going to leave this like this. I'm not going to finish this today. And then trusty old dry coffee. Everything is compostable. Now I do usually put this in my compost, but actually I just let this all dry. And now I'm going to sprinkle it around the outside.
What is that? What is that? You ain't said what that is.
Yeah, I said it was coffee.
Coffee. What you doing with the coffee?
We doing this to keep the bugs, to keep the animals away.
So if you sprinkle coffee around the base of the flower bed,
Yeah.
It'll keep what kind of animals?
Like
Insects or big animals?
we have.
What about rabbits? If a rabbit
We
try.
have bunnies. I was about to say we have bunnies.
Yeah.
Also, every once in a while, deers run through here.
Yeah.
We had a fox one time.
Yeah.
And so far, just doing this and re-upping it, I haven't had any small rodents, even mice. I haven't seen no mice either.
Yeah.
And I usually do this through all my gardens, even though this is going to be a vegetable garden, I also do it in the flower beds also.
Yeah.
And just sprinkle it around.
And so today is like what? The day is Sunday. So when are we gonna come back at it to continue this?
I don't know. It's honestly
Saturday, maybe Sunday. But it's gonna be at least a week.
Yeah, I might have to.
Unless you get the urge one day.
So another thing I'm planning to do is put the biodegradable fabric on top of this.
Yeah.
With another level. I'm sorry. Biodegradable fabric. Another level of. Actually, I got wood chips.
Yeah.
For drainage.
Gotcha.
Then I'm actually going to put the dirt. But I might not actually need that other level because that's quite a bit of dirt there. But yeah.
You know, so in other words, to be continued.
Yes, I'm not sure yet, but I do know we're gonna do the biodegradable fabric on top of this.
And you're also putting the coffee on the inside too.
Yeah, for now.
All right.
You know, it's layers.
Yeah.
Everything we doing is in layers.
All right. Well, we're gonna continue this another day.
On another day.
Peace.